Welcome to Technia TV. Hello everyone, I am Mayank Arora, Faculty of Journalism Mass Communication Department of Technia Institute of Advanced Study. Today I deliver my lecture on the other formats of radio formats. The other formats of radio format is the radio ads commercial. Radio ad commercial is radio that derives its operating budget from selling advertisement, or in other words, selling radio commercials. This advertising income in how the stations pay its business expenses and makes money. Unlike non-commercial radio, revenue from other avenue does not play a central role in the station's operating budget. As a radio listener, it's clear when you got a commercial radio station on the dial of the simple reason that you hear a lot of advertising. As someone promoting to radio, the distinction between commercial radio and non-commercial radio comes down to much more than a barrage of ads for weight loose product and local auto shops. For a promotion standpoint, you have to approach these stations in different ways and usually at different stages in a career. It all comes down to those advertising fees. A commercial radio station must be in constant pursuit of rating in order to maintain and increase the rates they are able to charge their advertisers for airtime. These fees are directly tied to rating because the more listeners the stations reaches, the more valuable a commercial on their stations become. To get these rating, commercial radio stations have to be very careful then they draw up their playlist. They need to be playing songs they have appealed to the widest number of people and songs that the biggest number of people in their area will be requesting and hoping to hear. These criteria usually boil down to commercial stations shying away from playing new artists unless they are backed in a big budget promotional campaign. The another one is phone in program. In this age of technological development, phone in is the most important format. This is called interactive programming, where the listeners and the presenter talk to each other. Their talk goes on air instantly. The listener has the satisfaction that this voice is being listened to and replied immediately. Other listeners also listen to him. Such presentation need advanced publicity so that the listeners get ready to air their grievances, queries or requests. They dial up the announced telephone number at the stipulated time and get their problems discussed with expert in the studio. Initially, this format was introduced for playing the listener's request based film songs. Now it is being used for health related programs, rural broadcast, complaints against the government, administrative machinery, etc. The next one is radio bridge. Radio bridge means connecting different this technique. For example, an expert sitting at Chennai can interact with the common man in the studio in Delhi. This format was first used by All India Radio during elections. The last format is music on radio. When we say radio, the first thing that comes to our mind is music. So music is the mainstay in radio. There is no radio without music. Music is used in different ways on radio. These are programs of music and music is also used in different programs. These include signature tune, music used as effect in radio plays and features. India has a great heritage of music and radio in India reflects that. Let us understand the different types of music. Classical music. There are three types of classical music in India: Hindustani classical, Carnatic classical, Western classical. There are also vocal and instrumental music forms. There are also light classical music forms like harmony and dhara. Instrumental music form includes stinger, sitar, sarod, etc. Wind like flute, shehnai, and percussion drum instrumental. You might have heard such music on radio. The another one radio is format is radio news. Among all the spoken word formats on radio, radio is the most popular news bulletin and news programs are broadcast every hour by radio stations. In India, only All India Radio is allowed to broadcast news. Duration of news bulletin vary from 5 minutes to 30 minutes. The longer news bulletin have interview, feature reviews and comments from expert. A radio news story is written for the ear. It is not meant for reading. A radio story is also not for particular segment of the society. It is neither targeted for any special ethnic group nor is limited to any geographical boundary. It drafting is therefore more attractive than the print or visual media. The most important stylistic principle in radio news writing is simplicity. If the language is too complex, it is possible that the story will not be completely understood by the audience. The radio listeners cannot retrieve lost information by reading a sentence or a story. If the story is not understood the first time around, it would be lost to the listener forever. Radio news writers generally apply a few rules of their own to help them get information across in the best, simplest format. Keep the sentence short, avoid complex sentence or constructions, and use basic words, not complicated. Radio reporting is the art of news collection and filling dispatches to the newsroom for suitable consumption in the bulletin. In radio, a reporter has got to be extra quick and accurate. There are many areas which, sometimes without much of a warning, may produce headline news. Lot of skill and craftsmanship is needed to cover political events, while the economic front is quite less hardest. In addition to political, economic, sports, and development news, the door of investigative reporting is also there, which, however, is the not very common phenomena in developing countries. The reporting of radio is somewhat different from that of newspaper and television. In radio, it is always a race against time and demand, special skill, and high sense of responsibility. Normal reporting assignments are easy to handle, but specialized one requires special knowledge, skill, and training. For instance, a parliamentary reporter cannot justify his job unless he knows the rule of business and mature of the house. Similarly, sports coverage is not justified without basic know how to game which is to be reported. I hope you understand my lecture, the radio formats. For more videos, like, subscribe Technia TV. Thank you all.